The 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is a crew cab pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This Chevrolet features sliding rear window and OnStar. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, and cruise control. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Kelly Grimsley Auto Group, a Carfax Advantage dealer.